Today, two of the most beautiful verses in the entire Quran. Verse 2, His mercy. Verse 3, His justice. By the end of these 5 minutes, you'll recite both. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn Quran. You've recited verse 1. Now we add verses 2 and 3. Verse 2 is just 3 words. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahmani ar-Rahim. The most merciful, the especially merciful. The same names you said in the Bismillah are repeated here for emphasis. Allah is teaching you what to feel as you stand before Him. Mercy first, verse 3. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. Master of the Day of Judgment. 3 words again. Maliki, master, owner, Yawm, day. Deen, recompense, judgment. After mercy comes justice. After I am loved comes I am accountable. The two halves of the same God. Let me show you how to read each one. Ar-Rahman, a leaf with no vowel sound. Li, lamb silent because of shadda on ra. Ar-Ra, el-Ra. But the L blends in. Ar-Ra. Then the M with kasra, man. Together, Ar-Ra, man. Ar-Rahim follows the same pattern. Ar-Rahim. The long E comes from the kasra and ya combination. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki, long I from the alif. Yam, closed up consonants, ends in M sukun. Ad-Din, same al that becomes ad before the D, and the long E from kasra ya. Repeat after me, slow. Ar-Rahman, your turn. Ar-Rahman. Good. Ar-Rahim, your turn. Ar-Rahim. Now together. Ar-Rahmani Ar-Rahim, your turn. Ar-Rahmani Ar-Rahim. Beautiful. Now verse 3. Maliki Yawmiddin, your turn. Maliki Yawmiddin. One more time, full voice. Ar-Rahmani Ar-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. You just recited 4 verses of Surah Al-Fatiha. Bismillah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmani Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin. Tomorrow we add verse 4, the pivot of the whole surah, Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'een. Subscribe, practice tonight. See you in lesson 24.